Shenzhen, Lanshuo Communication Equipment Company Limited was established in 2003. The company focused on ODM business of fixed wireless phone in past 17 years and served clients globally. Top 3 business regions are Europe, LATAM, and China mainland. It achieved average shipment 600,000 units and revenue USD 13 million annually in past 3 years. There are over 30 engineers in Lanshuo dedicated for design and development of fixed wireless phones. The engineering team successfully delivered dozens of models for Vodafone, Orange in Europe, and Telcel, Movistar, Claro in LATAM region. From the beginning, Lanshuo built its own manufacturing site, 3,000 square meters. It has tooling house, molding machines for mechanics parts, SMT lines, and final assembly lines. Lanshuo implements quality management for the whole product realization process, from design, development, trial run verification to mass production. The quality team utilizes measurement tools and in-house reliability test lab to control every process from incoming material to finished goods packing. The quality management system was certified ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. In 2019, Lanshuo built its 100% owned manufacturing subsidiary, Foshan Lanshuo Communication Company Limited. We are ready to provide brand customers more diversified, flexible ODM services of fixed wireless phones, and we continuously pay efforts to make the desk phone smart, easy to use, enriched applications, and connectivity.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.